Namaste everybody. I welcome each one of you to Udaya's classroom. Come, let's get started with the class. Profit and loss appropriation account. First, let's analyze the question thoroughly. I have taken this question for doing profit and loss appropriation account numerical problem. Amitabh and Babul are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So there are two partners. They are sharing their profits in 3:2 ratio with capitals of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. Which means Amitabh capital 50,000 and Babul's capital 30,000. Alright. Interest on capital is agreed at the rate of 6% per annum, which means both the partners will receive interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum from the firm. Okay. Babul is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 2,500. So Babul alone will receive salary from the firm 2,500. Okay. Then during the year 14-15, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital but after charging Babul's salary amounted to rupees 12,500. Here you need to concentrate one thing. Profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, which means before the calculation of interest on capital, the profit was, but after charging Babul's salary amounted to rupees 12,500, which means this profit is calculated after deducting the salary of Babul's, which means we need to add Babul's salary and then we need to calculate interest on capital. So interest on capital we did not calculate, but Babul's salary alone we have given from the firm. After giving the salary, the balance profit is 12,500. A provision of 5% of the profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So manager commission also to be given from the profit. How many percentage? 5%. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the distribution of profit and the partners capital accounts for the year ending 31st March 2015. So what we need to do, we have to work out the profit and loss appropriation account, how we are going to distribute the profit among the partners and how we are going to transfer to the partners capital account individually for the year ending 31st March 2015. Hope you are clear with the question part. Now let's work out the sum. Already I have opened profit and loss appropriation account, debtor, creditor. Okay. Particulars, amount rupees pice, particulars amount rupees pice, and capital accounts also I have opened for Amita and Babul's account. Now let's see how to work out the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. I'm keeping the question here. So first we have to write the net profit in the credit side. It is not net loss. If it is net loss, we will write in the debit side. Since it is a net profit, we are going to write in the credit side, right? Net profit. How much is the net profit? They have told in the question. The net profit is after charging Babul's salary. How much is Babul's salary? 2,500. So here we can write before Babul's salary. How much would be the net profit? 15,000. How? 12,500 plus Bubbles salary 2,500 rupees 15,000. Okay, this is how net profit we have to write. So after writing the net profit, what we have to do? We have to write other things like salary, commission, everything. So how much is the salary first? 2,500. So what we can do? Here we can write the salary. 2 Bubbles salary 2,500. And next, what is there? Interest on capital to be written. So salary part is over. Interest on capital. This capitals we will be writing in the partner's capital account. So next we will see the interest on capital. How to write the interest on capital? 2 interest on capital. For both the partners we need to calculate. First let's write Amitabh and next Bubble, right? So how much is Amitabh capital? 50,000. So 50,000, and what is the percentage of the interest? 6%. So 6 by 100, and Bubble's capital is 30,000. So 30,000 into 6 by 100. How much we will get here? So Amitabh's interest on capital would be 3,000. And the Bubble's interest would be 30,000 into 6 by 100. We'll get 1,800. Alright. And next what we have to calculate? So interest on capital, they have told like first prior to the profits, prior to the calculation of interest on capital. So we have done, and salary also we have written. And next we have to calculate manager's commission, right? So 2 managers commission. How much it is? 5% of net profit. What is the net profit? 15,000. So 15,000 into 5 by 100 would be the manager's commission. Are you clear with this? So 15,000 into 5 by 100, how much will come? 750 would be the manager's commission. Alright. So now we have written everything in the profit and loss appropriation account. Already we know the profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of trading and profit and loss account. Okay. In order to appropriate the profit among the partners, we are working out the profit and loss appropriation account. So everything we have written. Now we can balance the profit and loss appropriation account now. So what can we do now? We can total straight to this. So this side only total would be more 15,000. And what would be the balance? 0. Coming to the second digit 5. So 5 we add 10, we will get 0. Balance 1. 1 plus 5 6, and 6 plus 8 plus 7 will get 10, and the balance 4 5 6. So 6,950 is the difference amount, that is the profit. So now this profit to be shared among the partners. Now let's write 2 profit transferred to partners capital account. Okay, who are all the partners? Amitabh, if I write the name here, this amount will not match. So let me write here Amitabh A. This is Amitabh, okay, and writing bubble as B. Okay, so now we have to calculate the percentage. 6,950 into, what is the ratio of profit sharing? 3:2 is the ratio. So 3 is Amitabh ratio and 2 is bubble share. So 3 plus 2, 5. So 3/5. And 6,950 into, for bubble, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So 2/5. So 6,950 into 3/5 would be the share of Amitabh, and this would be the bubble share. If we calculate, we will get 4,170, and for bubble 2,780. So this is what the share of profit. So this profit to be transferred to the partner's capital account. Hope you are clear with this profit and loss appropriation account. Now let's see the capital account. So in Amitabh's capital account, first we have to brought down the capital of Amitabh, right? So what is the capital of Amitabh? 50,000. So what we have to write here? 2014 1st April by balance brought down 50,000. And next what we have to do? We have transferred, given interest on capital, right? This to be written in Amitabh. For Amitabh, interest is 3,000. So this calculation we have done in the year end. This is the opening balance of 2014. So capital balance we have written, and year end 2015. So 14-15 would be the accounting year. 31st March by interest on capital account. So how much we have calculated? 3,000. So 3,000 should be written here. And next is for Amitabh, same way simultaneously, if we can write for bubble also. Here 2014 1st April, and his capital is by balance brought down, and bubbles is 30,000. So 30,000 simultaneously if we write, we can reduce the timings. So balance we have written. The same way we can write related, from the beginning we can come right here bubble salary. So in bubbles account, year end 2015 31st March, we can write by salary. How much is the salary? 2,500. And next is interest on capital. Amitabh already we have written. And next is bubble. So date same. So by interest on capital account, in his account 1800 to be transferred. And moving on to the next thing. So for both the accounts we have written the interest on capital, salary, everything is over. And next is profit only. So what we can write here, by profit and loss, share of profit. How much in Amitabh's account? 4170. So in his account we can write 4170. And next partner's account, by profit and loss, appropriation, you can write fully, share of profit, we can close 2780, right? That's all. We have written everything. Now we can close the capital accounts. Now we don't want the question paper. Alright, 0, 7, 1, 7, 57,170, 57,170. So here we can write straight to this 57,170. So this is what the balance, to balance carry down. So this is what the amount in Amitabh's capital account year end 2015 31st March. Okay, and same way 0, 8, 0, 7, 3. 37,080. This would be the balance of bubbles. So to balance carry down 2015 31st March. So this is the closing balance. This would be the opening balance of the next financial year. Hope you are clear with this profit and loss appropriation account, capital account. So capital account can be done in two ways, fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. So in the fixed capital account, the capital would be the fixed one. It will not change. But in the fluctuating capital account, the capital amount would change. Okay. So having understood about the profit and loss appropriation account numerical problem, we will end up the class today. I'll meet you in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, it's bye from Udaya.